Dimensionless numbers have important role in fluid mechanics. These dimensionless numbers are formed by considering the ratio of inertia force to any one of the force from viscous force, gravity force, pressure force, surface tension force, and elastic force. First dimensionless numbers used in fluid mechanics is Reynolds number. Reynolds number is the ratio of inertia force to viscous force. Second dimensionless numbers. Froude number. Froude number is the ratio of inertia force to gravity force. Third dimensionless number is Euler number. Euler number is the ratio of inertia force to pressure force. Weber number. Weber number is the ratio of inertia force to surface tension force. Next dimensionless number is Mach number. Mach number is the ratio of inertia force to elastic force. With the help of these dimensionless numbers, we can easily predict the flow behavior of fluid. When any mass is in motion, inertia force always exists.